Hello, Mother. I'm in Honolulu. And I'm at Liberty at the time and having a good time. I'm not working so hard, and I'm the meat cutter now. And Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to Mom, Pop, brothers and sisters. And it won't be long before I might be home in another year or two. And did you find out by Edna? Let me know by mail. And tell Frankie that I'm in the quartermaster. United States Army quartermaster. I'm having it easy right now, and I hope it will be that way all the time. I'm gaining weight and enjoying myself. I'm not worrying no more because it doesn't pay to worry. And everything's okay, and don't worry. I'll be able to take care of myself. And how is Geraldine making out? I hope she gets a good break. And if you see Kenneth, let him hear this voice. I want him to hear it. And I hope everything be okay at home. And everything. While I was at Storming, I've seen Johnny. Lebo's son. Well, he's making out